It's awkward bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. It's awkward bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Waka, 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 waka. Hey guys, we just entered a. Oh, this is a bridge, and we're Echo! It's still bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. Okay, hey guys, Nicole and Gail here again. We're on our way to the park, and my wish just stopped echoing, and that's really sad because I love echoing. Not the person herself, but echoing. You know, nobody likes her. Yeah. So if you like her, don't like her. Or hey, don't say that. Everyone has a right to like who they want, even if it's a bad choice. Yeah, yeah, that's right. I hear dogs. Oh, look at the little shih tzus! The camera can't really see them well, but they're adorable.
Yeah, they remind me of my friend's two dogs.
And it's still bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. No, but there's a bee. That's awkward. Okay. Yeah. I think last time I made a video, it was with this person. There's people at the park.
Yeah, there's like people at the park, so.
But that's okay. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha.
Ha 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 ha.
It is Mika and her family.
Now what are we going to do?
Okay, we're gonna just like goof around. Probably make a new video. Because we're bored.
Yeah. And like there's other people at the park. So.
But that's okay. Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Alright, so until next time, subscribe, comment below.
And it has our names.
And eat salt.
And it's Gail and Nicole. Not no Summer and Tony.
It is Kira.
Hey.
Wave to the camera, my love. She's like, no, go away. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so we're gonna go, so peace.
Peace. Bye.